In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tasks both on your desktop and within the app. Whether you're organizing your daily to-dos or planning a project, Google Tasks offers a simple way to keep everything under control. Now let's dive in and take a step-by-step look at how you can effectively use this tool. First, you want to begin by heading over to Google Calendar. It's accessible through your preferred web browser by entering the URL for the Google Calendar. Ensure you're logged into your Google account, as this is crucial for accessing your tasks. Once you're in the Google Calendar interface, you'll see a variety of different options that can initially feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we're going to guide you through it. On the right hand side of the screen, you'll notice a small icon that looks like a check mark inside a circle. This is the task icon, and clicking on it will switch your view from calendar to tasks. With one click, you will now have a task pane displayed on the right side, where you can organize your tasks efficiently. Next, look for the option labeled Add a Task. Click on it and you'll see a blank field appear, which is where you'll enter the specifics of your task. It's time to give your task a title, something that accurately captures what you need to accomplish. Whether it's something simple like buy groceries or more complex tasks like prepare presentation for Monday meeting, this title will help you quickly recognize what the task refers to. After establishing the title, you'll have the option to add more in-depth details about the task. This is a handy feature that can include any pertinent information that goes beyond the task's title. For instance, if your task is a meeting, you can note down the agenda or any other related notes you might need later. This ensures that everything you may require is available at a glance. Once you've added the details, you can proceed to click on the small calendar icon that's visible beside your task. This allows you to set a specific date and time for your task. Scheduling your tasks with dates and times not only helps you remember deadlines, but also enhances your ability to allocate time for each task, making your day much more structured. By following these steps, you've successfully utilized the basic functionalities of Google Tasks to organize your time and tasks efficiently. Remember, repetition will make you proficient. Try setting a few tasks of various complexities to explore all the tools Google Tasks offers. This newfound skill will not only boost your productivity, but also bring a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each completed task. Thanks for watching and happy tasking.